Hey, my friends, I added this to the dehydrator and it's definitely dry. Now I'm waiting for the bottles to cool down a little bit because if I put a top on it right now, it's going to get moisture inside there and it's going to create mold. I'm going to have to throw it out then. Now, when you dehydrate or you freeze dry, do it on a day that's not damp. Today it happened to be raining, so I can't do anything about it. This is done and I have to just, bear with it. Just let it, hopefully it'll cool down. I'll put a defecant in there to absorb the moisture and also an oxygen absorber, which will help. Now, show you what I'm doing. last year I started to experiment with this, and this is aquaponics, and I bought the nettings, and then these are just regular jars. So what I did was you use the celery and then you cut it and you leave like 3 inches, like this amount. You take some of the sides off, and then once it started to sprout, I started to put it in the netting pot. And then you add a little bit of water, just enough so that root system, I don't know, you can't see it, the root system underneath there will start to pull down the roots to get into the water because it's searching for water. So this will work, right? And then you got to change your water, because if the water is green and it's got algae on it, it's not going to have a good outcome. All right, so this one is good. This one is... Now, I'm trying onions. This is the first time I'm doing onions. So this onion